I know the guy. You know him now.
You know zero flow ne? Zero flow yake. Sanan ne ba shi haka.
Na gane shi.
It was 4.5. In fact, this has been a problem to us in National Assembly.
Don't worry, God has.
Yes.
He was busy trying to open up.
Yes. And he's telling me he didn't use my
Person. Hello, sir. Hey.
Thank God you have this your phone.
Number of appropriation.
Yes.
So tell me now, the tunnel you took.
Look at nonsense.
You only took one, or how many you took?
Now one.
Okay.
Come now,
So
where is the person?
that also-
I called the person.
You call him? So tell me now, the tunnel you took is for what? Is for them to remember next time to be locking their doors. Right?
No, sir.
It's for what? You see? You see what is happening here?
Yeah.
You see what is happening here? I don't know what Kabiru really want to do with this one. Because me, I will not hand this thing over to you guys, yo. That's the answer.
We don't know our job.
Not like that.
You don't know our job, huh?
It's annoying, man.
You don't know our job. You people are spending certain time.
We
allow
have been
people
insulted.
coming inside.
We have been called names because we cannot even control this place simply
Yes,
because of you people.
My problem here is that this guy is a legislative
Do you know what I
Yes.
said? I told
That
our
is-
secretary here, I said the people that
I can't get over
Medals,
this.
sergeant as arms their boys. If they are not say this, God punish you.